your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call Wise Man Lawyers. Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call Wise Man Lawyers. Don't face that court alone. Let the Wise Man team get you back on the road. Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call the Wise Man team at Wise Man Lawyers.
Alright, today I'm at Gympie Magistrates Court. Client was charged with repeat drink driving. This time it was a reading of .209, so high range. He had two previous, one of .106 and another one of literally dead on .05. Fortunately, those other two were outside of the last 5 years. If they were within the last 5 years, it would escalate the penalty. So worst case today was a lifetime loss of licence. So high range is .150 and above. So if your reading's .150 or above, there's no maximum. The magistrate, if they chose to, could give you a lifetime loss of licence. Mandatory minimum 6 months, but that starts at .150, and that's on the assumption that you've got no previous whatsoever. If you've got previous in the last 5 years, that minimum 6 months jumps up, but even if it's outside the last 5 years, the magistrate still obviously puts weight on any previous you've got. But as I said, with a reading of .209, that's obviously almost 30% more than the starting point for high range. So as I said, high range starts at .150. My client was .209 with two previous. Even with no previous, we normally say to clients, if it starts with a 2 and we can get it under 12 months, that's a good outcome. And that was my objective, was to get it under 12. Sometimes when I'm on my feet, I will adjust my submissions and, you know, go a little bit lower than I'd planned to. But ordinarily, as I said, we try to get it under 12 months, and if we can, it's a good outcome. Got my client to complete the reformatory course we get all of our clients to do. Got him to get references based on the template we provide all of our clients. And given that he had underlying alcohol issues, we got him to, well, he was already getting those dealt with, but we got him to get a letter from that medical provider that we could give to the magistrate to show that he was actually getting his affairs in order. Ordinarily, I try to drive around the CBD of the towns that I'm in, but somehow I've got lost, so I'm driving through the Gympie side streets and suburbs. But in any event, I am actually in Gympie, and those who live here should be able to recognise that from the streets I'm driving down. But in any event, so we got him to get those that documents. I prepared my submissions yesterday, drove up this morning, met the client at court, grabbed a conference room, ran through my submissions, what he can expect the police to say, what he can expect the magistrate to say. I mean, obviously, every case is different, but there's certain procedures or steps that occur every time, so I guide the client through those. I was a little bit cheeky on this one. I was trying to push for 8 to 10 months. Sometimes I just follow my gut and go hard. As I said to the client, if we get under 12, that's a good outcome. I went hard on 8 to 10. To be honest, I don't know why, just my guts told me to do it. Sometimes you just got to just follow your gut and take it as far as it can goes. The magistrate raised his eyebrow over his glasses when I said that, and I conceded that I was overreaching and being somewhat cheeky in making that submission, and I guess I just pushed it as hard as I could without it blowing up my face, and then ultimately just ended by saying, you know, if it could be not dramatically past the range that I've submitted, it'd be ideal. Anyway, the magistrate ultimately settled on 11 months, which is a month shy of the 12 that I told my client to expect with our representation. Obviously, it's a month more than the 8 to 10 that I'd put to him, but 11 months for .209 without any history is a good outcome, particularly if you've got two previous, making this your third offence, a repeat offence. So as I said, those previous were .106 and .50 and .050, and this one .009. So yeah, you got 11 months, a modest fine. He's relieved and quite pleased. I'm Andrew Wise from that Gympie Magistrates Court. Thanks for watching. Hi, I'm Andrew Wiseman from Wiseman Lawyers, Queensland's only truly dedicated drug, alcohol and traffic offence law firm. If you face loss of licence, loss of vehicle imprisonment or anything in between at any court in Queensland, we can and will help you today. This is our specialty. This is all we do. Give us a call, 1300 947 352. I look forward to helping you resolve your issue today.
Don't face that court alone. Let the wise man team get you back on the road.